Welcome everyone to HFN. Today is August the 5th, 2020, and we're going to give you all a very, it's well overdue and price forecast, price prediction for Tezos. We're going to try to take a look if Tezos is still a buy, and we're going to give you reasons as to why that could be the case. Now, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel, because you guys can tell based off our price chart that we're not here to make it confusing. And on top of that, we're here to give you all the forecasts as to what our expectations are against what the market trap is trying to do for the value of Tezos, as well as many other cryptocurrencies in the space. So make sure you do that. Join us on our website as well. We got more free content there on our website. You guys can continue to see the majority of our content that we feel is very important and imperative for each and every one of you to understand and see that nobody else is really talking about. So make sure you join in on our website as well. Now, all the links are in the description of the video, so take the time out to go ahead and click those links and subscribe to all of those other platforms. So we wanted to come in and talk about Tezos real quick, and we need to give you all the update. Back in December of 2019 was when we did our first video in Tezos, and the expectation of the market in Tezos at that particular time was for it to go lower, and it did. So we did our video in Tezos on December the 17th, 2019, which is right here. We expected the market in Tezos to go to the downside. It did. 9.9% was bagged out the market on that particular video. You guys could check it out. It is in our playlist, just to show you full transparency of what we talked about then. So profit was bagged right there. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. And when I zoom out, you guys can see here that we was following the market in Tezos in a uptrend on that particular time period. The market broke it, and then it was able to break through it once again around February 2020. Look what happened since then. The market in Tezos is still higher than where we were back in December 2019. So we need to adjust our price chart somewhat. That just simply means we need to move our ascending line that we have drawn on in this space. And the new area of support I'm going to show you right now is right there around $2.60. This is where the new area of support now is being seen. That's not hard, it's not confusing. Now this is a wider area of consolidation of trading, because if you look at this on a weekly, you can tell on a better picture that the market is really in an uptrend in Tezos. Just like this. So the uptrend on a weekly basis in Tezos is definitely still intact for this market to continue to see higher price. Now taking a look at it on the daily, it's not that confusing either. So we have our support area around $2.60, $2.60, and the market is still in an uptrend. So two reasons already to substantiate that the market trapper is still eager to continue to increase the value of Tezos. So the market restriction currently is right there where we're trading at now in Tezos at $3.20. But the question is the strength still here in the market for Tezos to see the trap continuous movement higher? Right now, yes, because the market is still trending in an uptrend. And then when you look at it on a daily basis, let me go back to the daily chart. the market strength is still prevalent. Now, we can see some indications of market weakness and moving to the downside. No doubt about it. But from a long-term perspective, the market in Tezos is still geared to continue to see some market movement higher in price. So we're going to have to play this forecast for Tezos on a weekly basis because we don't cover this cryptocurrency too much. But generally, the market in Tezos it might even make all-time highs on a monthly time frame. Based off all of this consolidation of trading on a monthly basis, the market is not necessarily in a directional bias. It's not moving higher or it's not necessarily moving lower. It's just holding in this tight range on the monthly price chart. Now, the month of August is going to be very crucial for Tezos to close above the close from July. If that's the case, then yeah, the market is definitely going to try to make all-time highs in this space for Tezos. So we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in Tezos. And we're going to play this on a weekly time frame. Okay. We're going to want the market tracker to try to hold support around $3, right? But we have an extra cushion in the market in case the overall weakness is increasing versus from where that support area needs to be at $3. This is the area that the market can still come all the way down to. It's about $2.80. So this is the negative playground area for the market in Tezos. Okay. So the strength is still there into the market in Tezos. We're going to want the market trapper to try to show us support around $3 in the instance that the market do go to the downside, which is definitely something that you need to expect because the market can go down just as well as it goes higher. So, but generally we're still seeing the overall sentiment of the market in Tezos is still there to continue to see a market movement higher in price. And instead of me playing on a weekly, I just want to do it on a daily time frame. It gives us a little bit more opportunity to be more reactive to the market in the instance that we do see weakness coming through. So our TP area on the daily basis will come in around $3.3540. Okay, so that would be about 6.675% profitability into the market there. Okay, but generally I just wanted to come in and give y'all a well overdue updated price forecast for the market in Tezos. Generally the market trend is still in play. We're hitting a stagnation, pretty much trading stagnant, trading sideways into the market right now. But from a weekly perspective, daily perspective, the sentiment of the market from the trap is still one of some moving higher in price. Our TP $3.35, $3.40, and around that particular area is that location. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain our profitability. I'll see you all on the next one.